Similar situations involving energy service companies, or ESCOs, performing work traditionally done by utilities have been encountered in various states. These ESCOs often argue they are exempt from electrical licensing laws, claiming they are performing work traditionally done by utilities. Most states have licensing laws that require electricians to be licensed to perform electrical work. However, some states provide exemptions for utilities for certain activities like installing and maintaining electrical meters. The interpretation of this utility exemption varies depending on the state and the specific activities involved. Installing, inspecting, and testing electrical equipment is undoubtedly electrical work and requires knowledge and training to ensure safety. Hiring unlicensed individuals with limited electrical backgrounds presents significant safety risks. Compliance monitoring programs, or CMP, records may contain information regarding investigations or enforcement actions against ESCOs for performing unlicensed electrical work. State electrical licensing boards may investigate complaints against ESCOs and take enforcement actions such as license suspensions or fines. Utilities may also have policies to ensure that ESCOs working on their behalf are licensed and qualified. If a situation involving unlicensed electrical work is suspected, firstly, report it to the State Electrical Licensing Board for investigation and possible enforcement action. Secondly, inform the utility that the ESCO is performing unlicensed electrical work and request their cooperation in addressing the issue. Also, educate homeowners about the importance of hiring licensed electricians for electrical work and the potential risks associated with unlicensed contractors. Specific requirements to electrical work are found in the National Electrical Code, or NEC. The NEC is a comprehensive set of standards for safe electrical installations. Some key areas relevant to meter installations and service connections include Article 100, which defines terms like service equipment and qualified person. Article 110 covers requirements for electrical installations, including workmanship, conductor installation, and equipment labeling. Article 230 focuses specifically on service entrances, including service conductors, metering equipment, and overcurrent protection. Article 250 provides requirements for grounding and bonding, which are critical for safety. Article 310 covers conductors for general wiring, including opacity ratings and insulation types. Article 408 addresses switchboards and panel boards, which often house service disconnects and overcurrent protection. Article 547 covers agricultural buildings, which may have unique wiring requirements. Article 550 addresses mobile homes and recreational vehicles. Article 690 covers solar photovoltaic systems, which often connect to the service entrance. There are many safety concerns when it comes to unqualified personnel working on electrical systems. Incorrect wiring can lead to short circuits, ground faults, and fires. Improper grounding can create shock hazards. Overloaded circuits can cause overheating and fires. Damaged equipment can pose immediate safety risks. Lack of proper testing can leave hidden defects. Unsafe work practices can lead to electrical shocks and burns. Code violations can compromise the entire electrical system. Inadequate documentation can create confusion and make future repairs difficult. Ignoring safety protocols can have deadly consequences. Training and qualifications are essential for performing electrical work safely and effectively. Electricians need to understand basic electrical theory, wiring methods, safety procedures, and code requirements. They must also be able to use test equipment to verify the integrity of electrical systems. Continuing education is necessary to stay up to date with changes in the NEC and new technologies. Apprenticeships and on-the-job training provide practical experience under the supervision of experienced electricians. Certification demonstrates a commitment to quality and safety. Licensing ensures that electricians meet minimum competency requirements. Background checks help to screen out individuals who may pose a safety risk. Regular performance evaluations can identify areas where additional training is needed. A strong safety culture is essential for preventing accidents and injuries. The role of electrical inspections is to ensure compliance with electrical codes and standards. Inspections are typically performed by qualified electrical inspectors who are employed by local governments or third-party agencies. Inspectors review electrical plans and specifications to verify that they meet code requirements. They also conduct on-site inspections to examine wiring methods, equipment installations, and grounding systems. Inspections are typically required for new construction, renovations, and repairs. Inspectors issue permits and certificates of occupancy to ensure that electrical work is safe and code compliant. They may also issue warnings and citations for violations. Regular inspections can help to prevent electrical fires, shocks, and other hazards. Independent third-party inspections can provide an extra layer of assurance. Documentation of electrical work is essential for safety and maintenance. Electrical plans and specifications should be kept on file for future reference. Wiring diagrams should be clearly labeled and easy to understand. Equipment manuals should be readily available. Test reports should be retained to verify the integrity of electrical systems. Maintenance records should be kept up to date to track repairs and replacements. A complete record of electrical work can help to troubleshoot problems and prevent future hazards. The role of utilities in overseeing electrical work is to ensure the safety and reliability of the electrical grid. Utilities typically have their own standards and procedures for electrical installations and maintenance. They may also require contractors to be pre-qualified before performing work on their systems. Utilities often conduct inspections to verify that electrical work meets their standards. They may also provide training and technical assistance to contractors. Utilities play a critical role in preventing electrical outages and ensuring public safety. Utilities may also investigate reports of unsafe electrical conditions and take corrective action. The role of state licensing boards in regulating electrical work is to protect the public from unqualified and unsafe electrical contractors. Licensing boards establish minimum competency requirements for electricians. They also administer examinations to verify that electricians meet these requirements. Licensing boards issue licenses to qualified electricians and revoke licenses for violations of the law. They may also investigate complaints against electricians and take disciplinary action. Licensing boards play a critical role in ensuring that electrical work is performed safely and competently. Licensing boards may also require electricians to carry insurance and bonding. The NEC provides specific guidance on working with electrical meters. Section 230.66 covers meter sockets, which are enclosures designed to receive plug-in meters. Section 408.36 requires that meter compartments be adequately ventilated. Section 225.30 limits the number of supplies to one building or other structure. Section 312.8 addresses wiring in enclosures and raceways for meters. Section 408.3 requires that switchboards and panel boards be accessible and not obstructed. Section 110.26 provides workspace requirements for electrical equipment. It is essential to follow these requirements to ensure the safety and accessibility of electrical meters. The NEC also provides guidance on working with service entrances. Section 230.2 covers service entrance conductors. Section 230.40 addresses service entrance equipment. Section 230.62 covers service entrance raceways. Section 230.70 requires that service disconnecting means be readily accessible. Section 230.82 addresses meter disconnects. It is essential to follow these requirements to ensure the safety and reliability of service entrances. Grounding and bonding are essential for electrical safety. Grounding provides a path for fault current to flow back to the source, tripping the circuit breaker and preventing electrical shock. Bonding connects all metal parts of the electrical system together, creating a low impedance path for fault current. The NEC provides specific requirements for grounding and bonding in Article 250. These requirements must be followed carefully to ensure the safety of electrical systems. The NEC requires that all electrical equipment be properly labeled. Labels should identify the voltage, amperage, and wattage of the equipment. They should also indicate the equipment's listing or certification by a recognized testing laboratory. Labels should be legible and durable. Proper labeling is essential for safety and maintenance. Warning signs should be posted to alert people to potential electrical hazards. These signs should be conspicuous and easy to understand. They should warn of dangers such as high voltage, arc flash, and shock hazards. Warning signs can help to prevent accidents and injuries. Overcurrent protection is essential for preventing electrical fires. Overcurrent devices, such as circuit breakers and fuses, are designed to interrupt the flow of current when it exceeds a safe level. These devices protect wiring from overheating and igniting nearby materials. The NEC provides specific requirements for overcurrent protection in Article 240. These requirements must be followed carefully to ensure the safety of electrical systems. Surge protection is important for protecting electronic equipment from damage caused by voltage spikes. Surges can be caused by lightning strikes, power outages, and other events. Surge protective devices, or SPDs, are designed to divert surge current away from sensitive equipment. SPD should be installed at the service entrance and at individual equipment locations. Regular testing and maintenance are essential for ensuring the reliability of electrical systems. Testing should be performed by qualified electricians using appropriate test equipment. Maintenance should include visual inspections, cleaning, and tightening of connections. Regular testing and maintenance can help to prevent electrical problems and extend the life of electrical equipment. Arc flash is a dangerous phenomenon that can occur when electrical equipment is energized. An arc flash is a sudden release of electrical energy that can cause severe burns, blindness, and even death. The NEC requires that employers provide arc flash protection for their employees. This protection includes personal protective equipment, or PPE, such as arc-rated clothing, gloves, and face shields. Employees should also be trained on arc flash safety procedures. Lockout/tagout procedures are essential for preventing accidental energization of electrical equipment during maintenance or repair. Lockout/tagout procedures involve disconnecting the equipment from its power source and attaching a lock and tag to the disconnect switch. The lock and tag prevent anyone from accidentally energizing the equipment while it is being worked on. Following lockout/tagout procedures can help to prevent electrical shocks and other injuries. Safe work practices are essential for preventing electrical accidents. These practices include wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, using insulated tools, and avoiding contact with energized equipment. Employees should be trained on safe work practices and should follow them at all times. A strong safety culture is essential for preventing electrical accidents. A safety culture is an environment where safety is valued and prioritized. Employees are encouraged to report hazards and near misses. Management is committed to providing a safe workplace. A strong safety culture can help to prevent electrical accidents and injuries. The NEC is updated every 3 years to reflect changes in technology and best practices. It is important to stay up to date with the latest edition of the NEC. Changes to the NEC can affect the way electrical work is performed. Electrical codes are constantly evolving to address new challenges and improve safety. Staying informed about code changes is essential for ensuring compliance and preventing accidents. Electrical safety is a shared responsibility. Electricians, employers, and homeowners all have a role to play in preventing electrical accidents. By working together, we can create a safer electrical environment. Continuous improvement is essential for electrical safety. We should always be looking for ways to improve our practices and prevent accidents. By learning from our mistakes and sharing our knowledge, we can make electrical work safer for everyone. When considering the hiring of energy service companies, verify their licensing and qualifications. Ensure they have proper insurance and bonding. Ask for references from previous clients. Check their safety record. Inquire about their training programs. Observe their work practices. Request a written contract. Verify compliance with all applicable codes and standards. Do not hesitate to ask questions. Prioritize safety and quality. When hiring electrical contractors, verify their licensing and insurance. Ask for references. Check their safety record. Inquire about their training. Request a written contract. Verify compliance with codes. Do not hesitate to ask questions. Prioritize safety and quality. The importance of qualified electrical inspectors cannot be overstated. They play a vital role in ensuring the safety of electrical installations. They help to prevent electrical fires, shocks, and other hazards. They protect the public from unqualified electrical contractors. They promote compliance with electrical codes and standards. They contribute to a safer electrical environment. Supporting qualified electrical inspectors is essential for electrical safety. Homeowners should understand their rights and responsibilities when it comes to electrical work. They have the right to hire qualified electrical contractors. They have the right to expect safe and code-compliant electrical installations. They have the responsibility to maintain their electrical systems properly. They have the responsibility to report unsafe electrical conditions. They have the right to be informed about electrical hazards. They have the right to a safe electrical environment. Promoting homeowner awareness is essential for electrical safety. Staying informed about electrical safety is a continuous process. There are many resources available to help you stay informed, including the NEC, trade publications, and online resources. Make a commitment to staying informed about electrical safety and encourage others to do the same. Electrical work requires specialized knowledge and skills. Attempting to perform electrical work without proper training can be dangerous. Hire a qualified electrician for all electrical work. Protecting yourself and your family from electrical hazards is essential. The importance of electrical safety cannot be overstated. Electrical hazards can cause serious injuries and even death. Taking steps to prevent electrical accidents is essential for protecting yourself and your loved ones. By following safe electrical practices, you can create a safer home and workplace. The NEC is a valuable resource for electrical safety information. The NEC is a comprehensive set of standards for safe electrical installations. It is updated every 3 years to reflect changes in technology and best practices. The NEC is available for purchase from the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA. The NFPA also offers training and certification programs for electrical professionals. The role of continuing education in electrical safety is to keep electricians up to date on the latest codes, technologies, and best practices. Continuing education helps electricians to maintain their skills and knowledge. It helps them to provide safe and reliable electrical services. It promotes a culture of safety within the electrical industry. It enhances the professionalism of electricians. It protects the public from unqualified electrical contractors. Supporting continuing education for electricians is essential for electrical safety. Electrical safety is not just a matter of following the rules. It is also a matter of attitude and mindset. A safe electrical worker is someone who is always aware of the potential hazards and takes steps to prevent accidents. A safe electrical worker is someone who is committed to following safe work practices. A safe electrical worker is someone who is always learning and improving their skills. A safe electrical worker is someone who puts safety first.